On Saturday, May 10th, 9 a.m. to noon, the Bear Yuba Land Trust is getting ready for their 5th annual Nature Fest. This is a day of nature exploration and recreation with guided nature walks, art and nature activities, self-guided adventures, and a whole lot of outdoor fun. This is a free event at the Wildflower Ridge Preserve in Grass Valley. Parking is at Twin Cities Church at 11726 Rough and Ready Highway, Grass Valley. Don't miss this fun for the whole family event. You can show up at any time during the event, and guided hikes start at 9:30 a.m. For more information about NatureFest and to register, visit bylt.org/events/event/naturefest-2025.